So in this problem, Mr. X want to buy a 2 BHK house in Bangalore where he's ready to make a down payment of 20 lakh rupees. Remaining money he'll borrow from bank at 8.5% per annum for 18 years, and he can make an EMI of 25,000 rupees per month on the loan what he's gonna take. So the same problem can be solved by using present value of NUT. Okay, so let's not try to solve it mathematically like this way and all. By using Excel, we can do the same thing where the EMI I can find by using PMT function, okay, where the rate of interest would be 8.5% divided by 12. The time period would be 18 into 12, and the loan would be the unknown to me. If I put everything into this formula, I'll get a negative value. Simply go to goal sick, okay, where set this cell to 25,000 rupees, okay, by changing what cell? By changing the price of house. Press enter, you will get the price of house. Just wait for the moment. Excel will take time and it will give you the price of house around 47 lakh 61,000. Thank you.